I will be in a school bus tomorrow.
I will be on a school bus tomorrow. Nowadays, Bassam Muhammad, we are staying at home for these new circumstances. Yasin, sorry. So, do you think, Bassam and Yasin, do you think that you can go to the school tomorrow by bus?
Yes. Yes.
Knock, knock, knock. We are at home. It's not allowed for us to go outside.
Oh, okay.
So?
Impossible.
Impossible. It's really difficult. But if we are in normal days, and we are Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yes, we can. But Thursday, no, we can't. Because what comes after Thursday? Friday. And Friday we are not going to the school. Now, let's go to the second one. Yalla Yasin, read the second one.
I will find a
50-cent
coin today.
Okay, this depends on you. For you, yes, and for me too, because we are dealing here with reals. I do not have any dollars or cents. Maybe for Yasin, he will find. So it depends on what he can find. Okay? Now, Yasin, it's your turn. Yasin, read yours. Number 3. Tomorrow will be
Monday.
okay.
Likely.
Sorry? Impossible, because look at this picture. It shows that today is Monday, so it cannot be tomorrow to Monday, so it's impossible. Now number 4. Number 4. Yalla Yasin.
The next time I roll a dice, it will be a 6.
Okay, before I do this, how many faces do I have it on the dice? How many faces do you have? Which 3D shape does the dice have? Dice have cube, right? It's a cube shape, right? And the cube shape has how many faces, flat surfaces? It has 6, right? Okay, and each face has a number. Each face has a
Number.
Excellent. What are these numbers? Tell me. Both of you tell me. 1, 2,
2,
okay, 4,
3,
5, and 6. If I have a dice,
5.
the dice, we are rolling the dice in our hands and then we throw it to find the number. Can you be sure or certain that it's gonna be 6? When you throw it, can you be certain? Yani you throw it and say, yes, I will have 6 now, I will have 5 now? Or you just throw it and see, unlikely or likely it could be 6, because we do not know.
Likely, you can say.
Yes, so maybe likely it will be 6. Maybe it will, unlikely for 50% it will be 6. So it depends on this. Now for the sun will rise in the morning, inshallah. We will have a next day. The next day, as we used to know, and thanks God, every day in the morning we have sun. So is it something impossible or certain? Yeah, certain. Thanks God, till now it's certain. Okay? Now you will do the rest of the book by yourself. I have another thing. It's like a game. We will play it together now. Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Read for me. What is the title? Probability quiz. That means we will test. Yes.
Probability quiz.
Okay. I told you in the beginning, I asked you, why do you think we are learning something like that? Because when we grow up and we want to make a project or plan for anything, we have to put the probabilities for this. For example, I want to drive a car. Yes.
I can go restroom.
Of course, sweetie, go. Go, sweetie, go. Don't worry. So, why do we learn this? We learn it because we need to know what should we do for each step in our life. If I'm gonna make a plan, I have to be sure this plan would happen or not, and for which percentage, likely or unlikely, certain or impossible. And if it's impossible, I'm not gonna make this plan at all. There is no need to make this plan at all because it's impossible, right? So this would help me in a lot of things in my life, especially while I'm planning for something. I have here now this one. Let's do it together. Let's do it together and see how it's gonna work. Okay, the first question. Okay, now Yassine.
Yes.
Read, sweetie.
Something that is unlikely has a probability.
It means it's between 1 and 2. 1 and 2, it means it's
between 1 and 2.
Think. Between 1 and 2, it means unlikely. It means, is it between impossible and certain, or impossible and unlikely, or impossible and likely, or impossible and unlikely? Which one?
Impossible.
Unlikely is between impossible and certain, or impossible and likely, or impossible and unlikely. Which one is the right one? A or B or C?
C.
Sure?
C.
He is asking about unlikely. It's between impossible and unlikely. Unlikely is between impossible and unlikely. Let's try. Okay, now let's go to the second one. Read. Read, Yassine, till he comes. What is
the probability of rolling a 2 with a dice?
Okay. How many faces do we have for the dice?
1/6.
How did you get it? Excellent. How did you get it? How many faces? I have to ask myself. How many faces do you have? How many faces for the dice? How many faces for this dice? How many faces does it have?
How many pieces?
Faces. How many faces?
6.
6. Excellent. Now, when you choose according to what? According to this. I have here 6 faces. And number 2 considers how many faces from the dice? How many faces from the dice, number 2? The dice has We said that the dice has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue with me, 5 and 6. Each face has a number, right? Right, boys? Yes. Okay, number 2.
Yes.
Number 2. How many faces has number 2 on the dice?
How many faces?
Faces, yes. How many?
1.
Excellent. So I have here only 1. And the whole number of the faces is 6. This is why I chose what? 1/6. And your answer is right. Yes, your answer is right, but I wanted you. Yes. I wanted you to tell us how did you make this. This is really nice. Now let's try another one. Who? Yeah, Yasin with me? Who? Sorry.
What is the...
No, not you, not you, not you.
Oh,
Sorry حبيبي, sorry. Bassam?
oh, hi.